I was actually coming for this yellow and black one, but that one actually looks a lot better. You know my style, so I'm actually picturing my wheels on it and everything. I might have to be the first one to make it the fastest 2023. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was at Extreme Motorsports Park, man, in the side-by-side and the ATVs once again, man. But today is the day, man. We are back in the garage, man. We haven't really worked on the Harleys in a couple days, only because they're all pretty much done. The main one that we needed to work on, we did what we could do to it and sent it off to our buddy to get the rest taken care of and get that first start on it and all the above. So the only thing we got left to do is change a few things out on our Miami Road Glide, our blue and yellow thing, man. So we'll attend to that today. But I also want to go up to Harley, and meanwhile I'm gonna have to go up to Harley anyway to switch these things out. So we might as well kill two birds with one stone, man. So in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, you guys know what time it is, man. We're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we got a garage full of Road Glides. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular special Road Glide with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you either an Everything Regular wallet or a hat. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway, man. It is almost that time to shine. You guys know what time it is. Buying a wallet will get you one entry. Buying a hat will get you. And so the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, man, because you never know. We could be pulling up to Yodo with one of these bikes, or you be coming out to Houston picking up this bike and this truck, or this Hellcat and this bike, man. Either one, the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Meanwhile, man, let's get this show on the road, okay? Our 2020 Road Glide is already at the mechanic and all that, getting the whole ooh and ah work done to it so we can get that thing started, getting the bars and all that good stuff installed, and we'll be getting it back with it like pretty much complete. So with that being said, man, the only thing we really got to complete is our Miami bike, which is our yellow and blue one. You guys see the fork legs on it right there. These are not the fork legs we're gonna go with it, or the fork sliders, man. So we gotta pull this bike out, take off the whole front end, wheel, forks, sliders, everything gotta come off the front. Then from there, we'll go take the fork legs up to Harley, put the chrome ones on, come back, put them back on, and get this front end complete with the whole front end up here and everything, man. So this one should be fun. I can't wait. Once this is done, we'll pretty much be ready to send this thing off to LA. Now, I should have had it done a couple days ago, but it is what it is. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Let's pull this thing out and get to work, man. I can't wait. Just like that, guys, we got our forks off, wheel off, fender, sliders. We got our crash bar on there. So now we just got to put our new forks, which is going to be these big daddies right here. These are our sliders, of course. Let's put those bad boys right there. Fresh new big chrome daddies for the legs. Then we got our turn signals right here, so we can actually make sure we got some screws for that. Looks like we do. It looks like we do. So we should be good there. We might even just need some lids, or lenses rather, for those things. So so we are going to head to Harley right now, take these forks and fork legs, get them things switched out, go check out some bikes and stuff up there, then we'll come back and finish this bike off, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, let's try this again. They look like they're open today. When I came the other day, I must have came on a Monday or something, but Today is the day. We got our fork lures already right here. Then we got our chrome daddies right here, man. Can't wait. My guy Mike about to get us right, man. Y'all already know. Anytime y'all in Miami, I'm gonna have to drop your info because he just laced me with a whole bunch of Miami game, man. But we gonna get back to that when we get in Miami, man. But we got our forks right here, man. We're about to get the chrome daddies put on there. I can't wait. Cause y'all thought, actually that's funny. So our bike that we're putting this on is called Miami. That's what I called it. And I came to Miami, Mike, to get the whole shindig going. So these are actually gonna make our Miami bike look that much better, man. So I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned. Let's go see what type of bikes they got up in this joint. Let's see what oh my goodness. They got that thing front and center. Now we might get copyrighted, but we're gonna try to talk a little louder so we don't. Now this is a 2023 Ultra Classic, or Ultra Limited rather, but it's basically the Street Glide touring, super touring version, the old daddy version of it. But this thing is nice. I love the color on it. The color on it looks sick. I'm digging it. Got the little tour pack on there with the little matching graphics on here. What is it, a 114 on there? What's up, man? What's up, man? How you doing? Good, man. Good seeing you. You too. Man, my guy, y'all got the new joints up in here, man. I ain't even seen them in person yet.
Oh, yeah. They're pretty tight.
Man, which one is your favorite one out of the new lineup?
Prospect Gold.
Prospect Gold, is that that Big Daddy right here? Oh yeah. Oh, Prospect Gold. See, on the internet it looks a little different.
Oh yeah. It doesn't.
Wow. It don't do it justice at all. It does not. It don't do it justice, man. So this is the new 2023. What is it called again? Prospect Gold Road Glide Special with all the oohs and ahs. It looked like y'all upgraded the grips and the floorboards, or do it come like that?
No, we upgraded it and then we did the LED.
Ooh, with the LED turn signals and stuff. Okay. Oh, yeah. I can dig it, man. We up here at Republic Harley Davidson with my guy John. He's gonna get us right today, man. So this is the one I actually came to see. Online, it looks like a darker shade of yellow. Yeah. In person, it's actually a lot brighter. Yes. What do you think about this one?
The Banana Split.
Banana Split, huh? And that's a good name for it. I ain't gonna hold you. See, that's crazy. I really thought it was like a darker yellow in person. It looks like a really like pale like type, really light yellow. I don't know if it's my flavor or not. I'm actually feeling that. What is it? Prospect Gold?
Yep.
Prospect
Gold. Park.
Yeah, okay, yeah, like Prospect Park. You ready to go party, huh? I'm ready to go party with you, man. Come on, let's go.
My birthday's coming up soon.
Your birthday's coming up? Uh-oh. John's birthday is coming up on Tuesday, man. We about to have a movie. Let me know where you want to go. We're going to put a show on the road just for you, man. All right. I'm telling you, he's talking about going to Prospect Park. We might just go to Prospect Park. So, man, if y'all in Houston, pull up to John's party. We about to go yay. But no, it's good, man. Industrial yellow, huh? That thing is different. So like I said, online this is my first time seeing it in person, y'all. So this industrial yellow looked pretty sick. I ain't gonna hold you. It's pretty sick, but it's like a little bit too bright for my liking. I don't know if in the sun it looks a little different or a little darker, but
I can show you.
I could show you. All right, man. We'll check it out. We'll check out the other ones real quick, and then we'll see what we can do. But this one was actually my second pick, Captain America. That's what they call it, or is that your name for it?
That's what most people have been calling it.
Most people been calling it Captain America.
Bright billiard blue and bright billiard silver.
Bright billiard blue and bright billiard silver. The one with the oohs and ahs. Y'all see the freaking lining on that thing and everything. So it looks really cool. They're gonna try to copyright me in here. So I gotta keep talking and keep talking loud, man. So y'all see what that gray look like on there. Which one is y'all favorite one? Because I was actually coming for this yellow and black one, but that one actually looks a lot better. I don't know, because I'm already picturing my wheels with it. John, you know my style. Come on, man. You know my style, so I'm actually picturing my wheels on it and everything. How much does one like that go for, man? The 2023 thing.
They're about low to mid 30s.
Low to mid 30s.
Depending on your colors and features.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Low to mid 30s, man. Y'all see what we can get, man. Let's see what we got going. Excuse me, sir. No, you're good. You're good. So this is the regular degular 2023. It's all iced out though. I really love the chrome on here. I ain't gonna hold you. All we need is some chrome lowers, maybe some color match 10s and color match this. And this thing will look totally different. Get some chrome wheels on there. I'm digging it. Okay, they got the black version of the, oh, that's the same thing. Okay, bet. I thought that one was chrome up there. Okay, they got some Harley Davidsons up in here. Some nice things, man. I'm digging it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Oh yeah, I like this one. This one's pretty sick. They got the pinstripe on here with the oohs and the eyes on there, man. I'm digging it. So are you a road glide guy or a street glide guy?
I like the street glide.
Street glide? Oh my God, come on, man. You gotta come to the dark side. You gotta come to the dark side. So your favorite street glide would be that same color one, or which one?
Well, I like the gunship gray.
The gunship gray one. Oh yeah, that one is sick. Like the ST. Yeah. Those ones are nice, man. That's sick, man. Hey, so I remember you was telling me, you was like, your parents or somebody wouldn't let you get one. Was that you? You was trying to get a new bike? I forget who it was in here. I think it was you. You had just got your license or something, and you got sideways out the freaking parking lot. Was that you?
Yeah,
that was you. See, I remember.
I bought the 750 here, the street rod.
Right, you had a different one at the time, right? Yeah, exactly.
Street rod 750, and then got a little bit.
Yeah, you beast it up and got the joint. So how you like the Lowrider S?
Awesome.
It's nice. Woohoo! They got the Big Daddy right here, so now y'all get to see it a little bit better. That gray on top of there looks really, really good. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. That blue looks sick, man. What y'all think about this street glides? Because we didn't check out the road glides and everything. This bright yellow is cool. The bright yellow is cool, but you know when the new CVOs come out?
The only CVO they release is the anniversary Road Glide Limited.
Right, the Road Glide Limited. And you guys don't have it in?
Not yet. We're getting one in though.
Yeah?
We should be getting one.
You know about the other Road Glide CVOs, like the regular ones?
They haven't announced anything yet.
No, not yet, huh?
They don't tell us until they tell y'all.
Oh, okay, dang. I just knew you was gonna give me some insight on it, man. I just knew you knew the cheat codes. Man. But we got the street glides and stuff over here. Now, we're not trying to get copyright, so we gotta talk a little louder and a little fast and no in-betweens. But I like this street glide right here. This one is nice. I would love this setup with the ooh and ah rims on it. This one is actually really dope. This one is really clean. I like this blue on here, man. So we calling this Captain America, huh?
Yeah.
Captain America. I like this. I could dig it. See, now back home, I'm sure so many people already got this in the streets, but I ain't really seen it just yet, man. So I might have to be the first one to bust it. I might have to be the first one to make it the fastest 2023 Road Glide special, man. Which one y'all think y'all like? That's a bright orange right there. God, Baja orange. Don't y'all?
They put on the Pan America.
Oh, okay, wow. Oh, see, I missed the Road Glide version of it over there. I wasn't even paying attention. Okay, bet. You said they mixed the what in one?
That's the same orange they put on the Pan America the first year they announced it.
Oh, wow.
Remember?
The very first one.
In the very first Pan America, they had the orange.
Oh, the orange and white. Yeah. That's sick, man. So you guys see it here first, man. They got the new 2023 lineup here at Republic Harley. They got every color here. I didn't even think. When did you guys get these bikes in? Like a long time now?
Yeah, probably like January. We got them in.
January? Wow. I'm late to it. I'm late to the game, man. Y'all let me know y'all favorite one out the bunch in the comments below, man. I was actually thinking about that yellow one, but when I get here in person, it's actually a little bit brighter than my liking, but we'll have to see what is good and have to see what is up, man. Alrighty, guys. So we got our fork legs in there. We checked out the bike. We got our parts right here. Now I think it's about time to take the top off this joint because it's feeling real lovely. So if we go like this here and go like that over there and then pop the top like, and then open up the trunk like, and hop it out the car like, ooh, and lifting up the trunk like, we might be able to do a little something, man. And just like that, the top is off.
Up the whole summer.
And it's time to go yay. Alrighty, guys. Meanwhile, my freaking oil light then came on in the vet too. I've been driving all these cars and they ain't changed the oil in not one of mine. So I think I gotta get an oil change or something, man. We're gonna see what's good. Let's see if we can get up in here and get like a quick service. If not, we'll probably have to schedule something in, man. Alrighty, first oil change on my C8 Corvette cost me $199 at Chevy. Got this thing looking clean and mean. Can't wait. This thing is so beastie. I swear this thing looks so good. Next morning here. Harley hit us back kind of late in the day yesterday, but we got our fork legs up in here, man. So we get these bad boys pulled out. Chrome fork daddies. Ready to go on that bad boy. Ooh, I got the horses in the back. Yes, sir. See what time it is, man. See what time it is, bro. Alright, so now that we got our fork legs back from Harley, we can actually start by putting our fork sliders on, followed by our forks, and then everything else. So this will be a quick little time lapse, man. We'll put the whole front end back together and get it going real quick before the day starts. And we should have a lot going. Alrighty guys, we got our chrome fork legs finally on that bad boy with the matching sliders and everything. You just see how much it changed the front up, man. You guys see the before, now you guys see the after. This thing looks freaking dope. Really sick. Now it's time to get this outer fairing off, get these turn signals on there, and see if we can get this front end all tidied up and complete, man. Let's get it. Just like that, guys, we got our whole front end completed. Whole entire front end completed. We got our windshield on there, outer fairing on there, turn signals on that bad boy, headlight, forks, sliders, wheel, everything. We come around to this side. We got our speaker covers in there, looking oh so good. And all the above, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. The only thing we got to do left now is wire up these rear tail lights. And then I'm trying to figure out if I want to build this thing, man. I'm thinking like 143 or something up in those numbers somewhere. We'll see what's up, but y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's up. Man, I ain't gonna even hold y'all, bro. This bike is looking oh so freaking good. Like this thing, man. I want to go get another bike today just so I can freaking start on the next one. I ain't gonna even hold you. I think I'm about to go in here and try to find a bike, to be honest with you, because I already see the next vision already in my head. This one just came together so good and so clean and easy, man. I literally can't wait for the next bike, man. So I'm actually about to go up in here, try to find something to get, and we'll see if we can score something at a nice price today. But this thing is looking oh so sick with this everything regular special on it, man. I can't wait. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. You guys seen we finally tackled our Miami Road Glide, man. We got the forks and whole front end situated. Literally got the whole bike completed. All we need now is a seat and to wire up our tail lights, man. So we'll probably tackle that today off camera. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole giveaway, man, you guys know it's that time to shine, man. You guys know it's finally coming to an end, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 Road Glide CVO. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place. Meanwhile, third place, man, you guys see we got a garage full of Road Glides, man. So third place, you'll receive your very own everything regular Road Glide special with all the everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular wallet or a hat. Buying a wallet gets you 1 entry. Buying a hat today only gets you 10 entries, man. Today only. So if you guys caught this video, man, and you guys got a hat, you're getting 10 entries today only. I'm going to note this date so you guys will get in and get an advantage on those who didn't watch the video, man. So I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Meanwhile, man, time to get back in this garage, get this thing situated. I can't wait. What did you guys think about the new Harley Davidsons, man? Best one to me was probably that Captain America one, followed by that yellow one. It was first the yellow one, but however, that yellow one in person looks a little bit too pale and bright, man, for my liking. But you guys let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.